Meanwhile, on Friday, we'll be getting another snapshot of the jobs picture here in the U.S. Economists in a Bloomberg survey expect job cuts to continue to slow as the recession eases. We do get a preview of that number today, though, in the form of the ADP jobs report. So let's go back to the markets desk, but this time to Adam Johnson. And AJ, what are you looking for out of the data today?
Yeah, Scarlett, we're talking about the ADP jobs number. Now, ADP, these are the payroll processing guys. They literally process 21 million paychecks every 2 weeks. So that's a pretty good snapshot of what's happening in the economy. Well, they're going to give us their monthly data later this morning at about 8:30. They're expecting that job losses will decrease from 300,000 to 200,000. Obviously, still losing jobs, but that's quite a swing. It's quite a bit better. What we decided to do is chart that ADP jobs losses number against the unemployment rate that we get on Friday. That's the sneak peek. Take a look. It's pretty interesting. Look how the ADP job losses number peaked way back in March. It's been going down every month since. And again, as we said, it's expected to come down this morning. Well, that begs the question, if that's falling, when do you expect the unemployment rate to start falling as well? We put that question to John Herman of Herman Forecasting. Here's what he told us. He said, first of all, the tide has turned. There's no question about that. Just look at that trend. He says step one was that tide turning. Step two, he says you have to absorb the 120,000 people who enter the job force every month. Why? Because the population is growing. He said that's step two. He said if you look at the weekly jobs numbers and the continuing claims, he says we're on trend to meet step two within the next 2 to 3 months. And he says once you do that, then you can actually talk about unemployment coming down. He thinks maybe by January the unemployment rate starts coming down. That's what people are talking about, and that's why the market has already started trading up. Scarlett.
Thanks so much, Adam Johnson, and that ADP jobs report coming out at 8:15 a.m. this morning.